I'm Ryan Dawson. I'm here at the Moog Engineering Center with James Elterman, Product Innovation Manager for Moog Steering and Suspension Parts. James, I see you have a ball joint there.
Yes, Ryan. This is Moog K6696. It's a ball joint that fits various GM light trucks, model years 1999 through 2008, and it's a Moog problem solver.
Okay, so if I'm going to replace a ball joint on these GM trucks, why should I install Moog?
Well, on this application, stud strength is very important.
Why is that?
Well, this application requires a special heat treat process on the stud called induction hardening. We apply the induction hardening to the ball, undercut, and taper. On the ball, it increases the surface hardness, and that's necessary to provide a strong, durable bearing surface. And on the undercut and taper, the induction hardening actually increases the fatigue life of the stud.
Is this heat treat common in the aftermarket?
No, actually, I have another supplier's part here, and they omitted the induction hardening completely from the stud. In addition, they have a poorly optimized undercut here. Combined, both of these two things provide a stud that has only half of the fatigue life of the Moog part. And in severe duty, this could result in the stud breaking, and you'd have a loss of steering in the vehicle.
So Moog's superior stud strength helps the part last longer?
Yes, that's right. Another part that helps the Moog part last longer is our exclusive gusher bearing technology.
What does it do?
Well, the gusher bearing is strong and durable. In addition, it's porous like a sponge, so it soaks up the grease, and it provides excellent lubrication on the bearing surfaces, and it continually flushes contaminants away from the bearing surfaces. There's some other great premium features that we include on the Moog products, such as a grease fitting, which allows you to lubricate the part. We have our patented cover plate that provides low deflection in the socket and consistent socket torques. Also, the housing has knurls on it, which provide for easy installation. We also have a high-quality Moog black neoprene dust boot that keeps lubrication in the socket and contamination out of the socket. And finally, a castle nut, which makes installation easy.
So this ball joint would have a longer service life?
Absolutely. In fact, we've rigorously tested this part in our laboratory and observed that it maintains low deflection and consistent socket torque. That gives the driver that like-new steering feel.
Sounds like Moog engineers the ultimate ball joints.
Absolutely. That's why Moog is the #1 choice of technicians.
Thanks, James.
You're welcome.